Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for vibrant, beautiful hair? Well, check out K&K's awesome curling iron brush. This is a 1.5-inch cylinder, and it works great for giving me those glamorous curls with no time at all. This heats up within seconds after pushing that button, and the light will flash until it's all the way ready, and it'll be begin. I love this rose gold look here, and oh, there it goes. It's ready for me to use and curl my hair. And I love the way it makes my hair feel. It's shiny and it feels smooth. The texture feels like it's healthy. And that's because of the ceramic tourmaline Ionic hair curler. This has really made my hair feel its best. And as I've aged, the frizzier my hair gets, more brittle and wiry my hair seems to be getting. But I really do care about my hair health, and so I really enjoy using this, but also feeling really pretty. The cord is 8 feet, so for me that's perfect for getting that long extension. Has the 360-degree swivel right here, so I'm not going to tangle up my cord while I'm using it. And the tip does not get hot, so I can actually grab onto this side, which makes me feel more mobile. I have the claw for cleaning it and the glove, which really allows me to grab onto this curler without hurting myself. This thermal brush is amazing. I like these bristles. There's 1,000 of them, so it gives you enough of a grip. Your hair's not slipping through the curls. It's able to hold on to your hair, but I'm not getting breakage. I'm not breaking my hair or tearing it out, and it's not tangling my hair. It feels really nice on my scalp. So if it's that you want to straighten your hair or shine it, make it smooth, you can do that. If you want volume, you can do that with this. If you want beautiful curls, tight or loose, well, this is awesome. We love it. And that's my point of view.